Unraveling the Magic of English, the Subject-Verb-Adverbial Pattern. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an integral aspect of English grammar. We'll be discussing the Subject-Verb-Adverbial (SVA) pattern. This fundamental sentence structure helps us express complete thoughts with clarity and precision. Let's get started. The Subject-Verb-Adverbial (SVA) pattern is a common structure in English grammar. This pattern consists of three main elements. 1. Subject, the doer of the action. 2. Verb, the action or state. 3. Adverbial, provides additional information about the action. In this structure, the subject performs the action of the verb, and the adverbial modifies the verb. An example of this pattern would be John, subject, runs, verb, quickly, adverbial. The subject of a sentence is usually the person, thing, or idea that is doing or being something. In the SVA pattern, it's the doer of the action. For example, in the sentence, Lisa reads a book, Lisa is the subject because she's the one performing the action, which is reading. The verb in a sentence represents the action or state. In the SVA pattern, it's what the subject is doing or being. For example, in the sentence, dogs bark, bark, is the verb. It's the action the dogs, the subject, are performing. The adverbial in the SVA pattern provides additional information about the verb. It could express how, when, where, why, or to what extent an action is done. For example, in the sentence, she sings beautifully, beautifully, is the adverbial. It describes how she sings, the verb. Now that we've understood the three components, let's look at some examples of sentences following the SVA pattern. 1. The cat, subject, sleeps, verb, peacefully, adverbial. 2. They, subject, study, verb, regularly, adverbial. As you can see, each sentence follows the SVA pattern and provides complete, clear information. And there you have it. We've explored the exciting world of the Subject-Verb-Adverbial (SVA) pattern. This pattern helps ensure that our sentences are meaningful and precise. Remember, mastering this basic structure is a huge step forward in your journey of learning English. Keep practicing, and you'll be crafting excellent sentences in no time. See you in our next video.